Today, I am going to tell you how much of water to add while cooking rice in the pressure cooker. The quantity of water to be added depends upon the quality of the rice you are selecting for cooking. For example, the new rice or the old rice. But care should be taken that both the rice as well as the water should be measured with the same glass or the container you use. The amount of water you add also decides the texture or the consistency, whether it is undercooked or overcooked. Now, new rice. For every glass of new rice, you can add about 1.5 to 2 glasses of water. And soaking is not required in the case of new rice. Old rice. For every glass of old rice taken, that is 6 to 8 months old, you can add about 2.5 to 2 3/4 glass of water. If the rice is older more than 1 year, then you could easily take about 3 glasses of water for this variety. But you should always soak the old rice after washing for about 15 minutes before you put it in the container for pressure cooking. Now, in both the varieties of rice, you should pressure cook in high mode for about 3 whistles and 1 whistle in the simmer mode.